Let's look at some applications from the double mantis hook from the form Black Tiger Intercepting Fist. Here Sifu Lee demonstrates the double mantis hook, placing his right foot onto mine so as to trap it. So here he traps the upper arm and he traps the lower leg. If you notice, the mantis system utilizes a lot of grabbing, just as the real insect, the praying mantis, does in real life to its prey. Trapping the arms so as I cannot move, and trapping the legs so as I cannot move. The next technique is back fist heel kick. Here Sifu Lee simultaneously attacks with a back fist and heel kick, thrusting forward into the chest. Next is defense against a wrist grab. We see Sifu Lee executing this form in Black Tiger Intercepting Fist. A parry wipe and a straight punch into a 7-star stance. Notice Sifu Lee driving forward. His footwork moves in so as to drive the opponent backwards. Defense against a kick. Here we see applications from the form into a retreating, collapsing stance with a mantis hook to guide the leg out of the way. The next technique is an arm break, elbow break that we see out of Black Tiger Intercepting. Sifu Lee grabs with the right and applies pressure on the left while turning the opponent's palm upward. The next technique is millstone palm. This is a very fast technique using quick parries and chop to the neck. Here Sifu Lee climbs up the opponent's arm, blocking at the wrist, trapping at the elbow, and attacking the neck. Here we see an application of the 7-star counter intercepting hook. Sifu Lee places his hand on top of the hand of the opponent and traps it back. Here's a view from another angle. After the grab, Sifu Lee places his hand on the opponent's hand and twists with a wrist lock.